Let's take a look at this problem. We got 1 over x minus 1 plus 2 over 3x minus 3 equals negative 5 over 12. Now our first step is to factor all our denominators. X minus 1 we can't do anything with. 3x minus 3 is GCF. And number, I'm just going to do the prime factorization. You don't technically have to do numbers like that. Some people can just see them, but I want to demonstrate that the same idea holds for them also. Now these have a 3 in common, so I'll factor that out. And that gives me x minus 1. 12. That'd be 2 times 2 times 3. Okay. Step 2. Figure out your LCM of all your denominators and multiply everything by it. Let's start with the numbers first. I'll start with the 2. Now we're looking for the greatest number of 2's that appears in any single denominator. There's none here, there's 2 of them here. So we have the greatest number of 2's in any single denominator is 2 of them. Now we'll go to the 3, and I'm looking for the greatest number of 3's in any single denominator. There's none here, there's 1 here, there's 1 here. So the greatest number of 3's in any single denominator is 1. Now look at the x minus 1, and I'm looking for the greatest number of x minus 1's in any single denominator. There's 1 here, none here. So the greatest number of x minus 1's is 1. So that's our LCM, and that's what we'll multiply everything by. So I'll multiply by 1 over x minus 1. I'll multiply times the 2 over 3 times x minus 1. And I'll multiply it times the negative 5 over 2 times 2 times 3. Well, the x minus 1's cancel here. The x minus 1's cancel here, and also this 3 cancels this 3. Over here, the 2's cancel there. These 2's cancel. And these 3's cancel. Let's write down what we have left. Actually, I'll go ahead and multiply it through, I guess. 2 times 2 times 3, that gives us 12. Now here we got 2 times 2, another 2, that's 8. Equals, over on this side, we got negative 5 times x minus 1. Well, 12 plus 2 is 20. And multiply that through, and we get negative 5 times x is negative 5x. Negative 5 times negative 1 is a positive 5. Step 3. Solve for x. Well, this is a linear equation, so we'll go through those steps. Want to get everything with an x on one side and numbers on the other, so I'll take this 5 and move it to the left side. Remember, when you take anything across equals, the sign changes, so it becomes a negative 5. 20 minus 5 is 15, is equal to negative 5x. Oops. Okay, I'll get there eventually. Divide both sides by the number in front of your x, so divide both sides by negative 5. And we get 15 divided by negative 5 is negative 3 is equal to x. And that's maybe our answer. Remember, step 4 of solving rational equations, we got to actually check our answer. Semi-check it, that is. So we plug that back into our original problem. If we put negative 3 here, negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. That's not 0. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9 minus 3. That's not 0. So this answer actually works. It doesn't cause any of our denominators to equal 0.